I'm Sydney Dixon from Sydney Dixon Foley, and in this video I will be showing you a time lapse of how I set up a Foley recording at home, with an example of the finished product at the end. The microphone I'll be using in this video is the Xing BM800. It's a really good condenser microphone that only cost me like 40 quid off of Amazon. I highly recommend it and I use it for literally everything. I won't be going in depth about my setup process, so I won't be explaining anything. It's literally just a quick time lapse showing you how I do it and what my end results are like. But if an in-depth version is something you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. So that was it. Again, if you'd like to see a more in-depth look into my setup process, the things that I use, my presets, all of that, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. In the last video, you might remember that I mentioned a big project that is coming up. Well, I'm starting it this month. So look out on all of my social medias for updates, actual dates, and behind the scenes type posts. Thank you for watching this video today, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed it and if you're into Foley as a whole. If you don't know what Foley is, and this is the first video of mine that you're coming across, there is a link in the description to my first video that I uploaded saying or explaining to you what exactly Foley is. I hope you have an amazing day, and again, thank you for watching. Bye!